Oh yeah, this is none other than your boy, man, Edmund DaGeneral, yeah? They call me Edmund DaGeneral, straight from Toronto. Yeah, music, there's none other. They call me Edmund DaGeneral, straight from Toronto. Yeah, music, there's none other. They call me Edmund DaGeneral, straight from Toronto. Yeah. Yes, this is none other than your boy, man, Edmund DaGeneral, you heard? Also known as The Brand. And I gotta say, I'm listening to Shotgun Suge versus New Jersey Twork. And I don't even know if y'all could even hear what I'm listening to in the background. But it's fire. Shit is fire. Been a long time since I've been back into the battle rap thing, you know? Like I was a big fan at the time. I would say for what, 4 or 5 years straight. Took a break because after I saw a whole bunch of new people coming through and woo! That's the first time I saw someone get up into Suge's face, push him around like that. Holy! That was New Jersey Twork. All in Suge's grill. Jumping on him. Pushing him around him. Yo. I gotta say, man, like, I like Shotgun Suge. Salute to him. Salute to New Jersey Twork. I like these two. Two aggressive guys. Two aggressive guys. Talking that real shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, New Jersey just jumping around. Yo, what I realize is once you get up on that URL stage, you gotta really show out. There ain't no time to be slipping. You can't choke. You better have that energy when you go up on that stage because this is the time where you gotta show and prove. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to go there. Like, I want to be there in the crowd. I want to be out there whenever I see this. Especially when there's two guys like these on the card. You want to be there. You want to feel that energy. Shotgun Suge, man, like his style, I like his style. And plus, like, whenever he spits, he paints that picture of you actually being there. Paints that picture of actually you with him, riding with him. Shotgun, 45, whatever your weapon is, mine is Smith & Wesson.
I'm so reckless.
Out there riding on your ops. Woo! Yeah. Oh my goodness.
I'm so reckless. You know better. Fuck a heart. I can look in your eyes and soul check it. Then a little bitch come in between. It's a home wreck of wisdom.
Yo, real talk. I think this battle is debatable. Twork has bars. Suge has bars. They got it on point. They're both good. They're both good, man. This is debatable. I can't say who won. Normally whenever I would see a battle with Shotgun Suge, I think it was after that Charlie Clips battle when he lost. But after that, he got like this chip on his shoulder, killing it. But with Twork on here and what he's dropping right now, it's debatable. So real talk, I think it's a tie. I don't think any one of them came out on top. I think they both tied. That's just my review on this battle.
and the outrage. Niggas in the crib.
Yeah. It's a tie. Because these two are good. They both got love from the crowd equally. There's no boos. There's no choking. Yeah, that's a tie. That's what I gotta say about this battle, man. Shit. I'm out. Peace.